In this video, I am going to talk with you about how to reduce the electricity bill. There are some tricks to reduce electricity bill. I am electrical engineer. To learn about this, please don't skip this video till its end. Tip number 1 is buy only quality products from popular brands. Only the quality products have better efficiency and power factor. It is the current equation I is equal to P by V cos theta into efficiency for single phase, and it is for the three phase. Here the power factor and efficiency is on denominator. That means the current is inversely proportional to these things. So if the efficiency and power factor of our electrical equipment is less, then the current will be more. So during this time your kWh meter records high current, and due to that you will get high electricity bill. If you buy your electrical equipments from many local brands, even if you could see a high power factor and efficiency recorded on the sticker on that electrical equipment, suppose if the power factor is 0.8, it is something better power factor, and the efficiency is also just like 0.8 to 0.9, it's also something better. Even if you could see these marks on the electrical equipments from the local brands, actually it would not have such real power factor. It would be a fake sticker. How a normal customer can identify which is real or which is bad? So the better thing is you need to buy your products only from the popular brands, and its real power factor may be around 0.6 or 0.7 on that range. Okay, and its efficiency also will be very less, just like 0.6, 0.75, just like this. So what will happen? Due to the very low range of this power factor and efficiency, your current will be more and you will get high monthly bill. Popular brands already have a reputation in the market. So if you show any sticker on their electrical products, it would be 100% real. So we don't need to worry about buying products from a popular brand. And one more thing is, if you buy the product from a local brand, not only your monthly bill will be increased, but also it would be a local product, very low quality product, and it will be damaged very easily, and due to that your money will be wasted. And when you purchase the product from a popular brand, you need to purchase an electrical product with more star rating, because the more star rated product have better efficiency and high energy savings. The more star rated product have a high cost, even though you will get that money back during the long run of that product. When you buy for an AC air conditioner, you can see 3-star, 4-star, 5-star, so you need to buy a 5-star product. And one important thing is, always buy a product with more warranty period. You might have heard about the warranty period of 3 years, 5 years, just like that. So please buy a product with more warranty. So here, buy a product with 5 years, it will be very good for you. Why the company gives more warranty on their electrical product? Because they know that their product will not be damaged very easily, because it is electrically good and sound. That's why they are giving such a great warranty period. It means that it would have very good efficiency and power factor and all other electrically related things. And the next important thing is, if your home contains any old electrical product, then you need to replace this with the new, better, popular branded items. It's because the old electrical products might have very low power factor and efficiency, and also it would not have any star rating also, because the star rating has come in this world with a few years back. So my recommendation is, also put these things on your mind when you going to buy a new product. I hope you have understood about this topic. If you think you have got any deep information through this video, please like it. And if you want to get more videos with lot of information like this, please consider to subscribe my channel. It is only the part 1 and the part 2 will come soon. Thanks for watching.